The vlog is starting at 10 p.m. with me making, you know, some dinner. I am making this dinner for Ellie and Jared. I am so thrilled. I have the recipe on my Instagram. So if you want it, you can go check it out there. It's under the food highlight. I'm gonna let this boil and then I'm gonna get to bed because I've got a long drive first thing in the morning. I am up, I am ready, and I have layers. It's freezing here, but by the time I get to Ellie's house, I will need to shed the sweater. So I have my things. Oh, I'm leaving, and the kids did this morning all on their own. Lincoln has his like outfit with his goggles up at the top. Oh, you guys have fun and be safe today.
Will do. This is years of your training.
I know, and I'm so proud.
This is your fault.
I am obsessed with this little cooler that I had all growing up. You put that in the back of my Suburban.
This thing's probably older than us.
I know, I'm obsessed. I love it. Oh, my bags are packed. When Joel was saying goodbye, he was like, oh my gosh, you're out of gas. He's like, I'm so sorry. And I was like, yeah, I know, don't let it happen again. Just kidding. Actually, what I said was, Joel, it's totally fine. I can pump my own gas, I swear. So today I'm gonna see if I can pump my own gas. No, I'm just kidding. Kidding, girl. Well, I showed up all stinking happy. We're just buttoning up a few little things, picking up an extra passenger. And I saw this and I came over to like just take a bite of the corner and everyone's like, it's yours, it's yours. I saved it for you. So don't mind if I do. Landon's making fun of me.
Wherever she goes, I open up the Suburban. It's got a bunch of cans of enchilada sauce.
We made it, and all the kids were really excited. And then I think we needed to make it quiet for Mom and Dad. So these guys helped me unload the car. Can you put that up on the counter? Are you strong enough to do that? No, it's not. So I'm gonna have you guys help me find a container so we can kind of put together some like lunch and dinner. How about we do that? Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. I don't know. Just some things for dinner. What are you doing?
All right, Bonnie, tell me what you got over here.
Okay, the other day I made this and I just ate it over lettuce like a salad. Well, I had so much left over the next day that I just put it inside of a tortilla and put enchilada sauce over the top and put the same toppings over it, just enchilada style. Ooh. And it is divine.
It looks good.
Yeah.
Well, I made something similar to what looks like that. I put mashed potatoes on top of it and I called it shepherd's pie, and you should read the comments. Apparently it's not really shepherd's pie. I know.
But it's tasty.
Oh, it's good. This looks good.
We went to bed last night around 9:30, which we like didn't stay up and chat. Like it was like Ellie took the baby to bed. Julie and I went to bed early because we knew we were gonna maybe be up early. Ellie and Jared were able to sleep till almost 9. I feel like our job is done. We could go home now and we've done what we needed to do. We got the kids all picked up, their bedrooms all picked up, everyone's dressed, the bathrooms are all picked up. So everyone's in good shape there. And I just know for me, if like my kids' areas are picked up, I like feel better. So we're in good shape this morning. We're gonna do breakfast. Good morning, Jer.
Good morning. Oh my gosh, thanks for letting us sleep.
You're welcome.
Want another bite of yogurt?
Thank you. If it was not the most delicious yogurt I've ever had, I would say no, but it's that good. Okay, I keep telling Julie, I need to make the yogurt. She made a whole YouTube video about it. I just haven't made it because I feel intimidated, but I'm gonna get over it and I'm gonna try and make it.
It's really not hard at all.
Yeah, I'll put her video below in case anyone else wants to try homemade yogurt with me. It really is so stinking good. I'm gonna make banana bread today with Ellie's old bananas that she's got. Pro tip when you let the little kids do the eggs, you do it in a separate bowl so you can, oh, yep, exactly.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
That was a very good one. Okay, I've got baby in my arms. Camera will not do justice how tiny she is. We've got the kids upstairs. Aunt Ellie is taking a nap and Uncle Jared is editing. And so we've got baby until she's hungry. Hopefully Ellie will be able to nap. I've seen what I needed to see. I think we've accomplished what we needed to accomplish. And it's time for us to head home.
Let's hit the road, Bonnie.
I don't really want to, but I think it would be best. Oh!
I don't want to.
I think she's all Tommy. I think it would be really cute.
Oh yeah.
And Jared.
You're the pro when it comes to picture angle.
No, I think it would be so funny for, this is the one I want, and if you don't want it, okay. I want to be kissing Ellie on the cheek, and I want you to be kissing baby.
Ooh, I feel this baby.
Stay here one time. Stay here one time? Yeah, stay here one time.
That was a good practice.
Okay, well, we're just warming up here. Oh,
A lot of times. She wants her binky. No.
Okay, ready?
I know she wants her binky or not. She wants it.
Do you want me to wear her binky?
Yeah.
It's not as cute.
Okay. 1, 2. I didn't get that first picture. You gotta kiss her.
I'm really happy to be here.
I really love it. And then next time you can bring more of your kids.
And your husbands. Would be fun. If they can.
This was really fun.
Nice to
I know.
you.
Mom, when can I hold her?
Holy blizzard.
Okay.
You're driving so good.
Well, I've been hoping that you thought I've been driving good. I'm
yeah.
like, oh, I've got precious people in this vehicle.
Oh, no, you're doing a good job driving.
Okay, driving was a little scary. Oh, it is like beyond cold outside. This is our first stop. We've been driving for what, an hour and a half?
Feels like 3.
Yeah, feels like 3. We're listening to The Spare.
It's really good.
It is really good. Very interesting. Very interesting. Anyway, that's all I'll say for now. Maybe I'll do a review. Someone came and washed our windshield, or I got out and the wind like almost blew me over. Anyway, someone came and washed our windshield because it was atrocious, but that was really sweet of him. That was really sweet. Okay, I think we're gonna close the vlog here. We're gonna go in, go potty. We're filling up on gas. Hopefully it's still filling. Yeah, so we'll see you guys in the next video.
It's been so fun. I've thoroughly enjoyed being together with you.
I know.
You're so cute.
I think so too. Well, I think it's fun that we've been together too. And I think we should come back.
Yes,
We'll
I
come
agree.
back.
Okay.
Okay, bye.